Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking lobster tail. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have olive oil, paprika, garlic, butter, asparagus, and we have rosemary here, and of course we have our lobster tail. So I'll show you how to prepare the lobster tail. Now we need a kitchen sear right here, and we're gonna cut the shell of the lobster tail up to the fan right there. There you go. And then we will separate. Be careful, we have to do this slowly. We have to separate the meat from the shell. Okay. And we will just do like this. Okay. Right, like that. All right. And then we have to close the shell back. And then we'll just put it out like that. And we will put the ingredients. We will do the same thing on the other one. Now we will apply olive oil on the meat of the lobster tail. Okay. And we will apply all over. Okay. All right. Just like that. Right. Okay. And then we're gonna bake this for 15 minutes in the oven. But before we bake it, we have to apply paprika. Okay. Our oven is preheated already, and we will put paprika on top. There you go. All right. All right. So this is ready for baking, and we're gonna bake this for 50 minutes. While we are waiting for the lobster tail, we're gonna prepare the toppings for the lobster tail. We have rosemary here. We're gonna cut rosemary into pieces, tiny, and okay, we need this. We're gonna mix this with butter and ginger. I'm sorry, not ginger, garlic. Okay, I think this will be good enough. Now we're gonna get some butter. Okay. Right there. put our garlic. Mix them together. We're gonna put these on top of the lobster tail after it's done baking. Now, while we are waiting for the lobster tail, we will prepare our asparagus. Okay, we will steam this, and we have our steamer here, and we will steam this for 5 minutes. This should be done. After 15 minutes, look at our lobster tail. Smells so good, looks yummy, and nice color. Now we have to put the toppings that we did a while ago, and then after this we're gonna bake it. Oh, not bake, broil it for 3 minutes, additional 3 minutes. The oven is already preheated and it's ready for broiling. Okay, this is butter, garlic, and rosemary. Now here is our lobster tail after broiling. We're gonna prepare our plating now. Here's the finished product, lobster tail. Please share this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see the future videos. Thank you and have a good day.